What if your home could feel like a warm spring morning trapped inside walls? This house doesn't just follow trends. It captures the exact feeling of sunlight on ivory plaster, of texture that invites touch, of spaces that breathe with you. Stepping into this entrance hall feels like slipping into a warm embrace on a spring afternoon. Soft sunlight pours through tall ivory windows, washing the sculptural plaster walls in a gentle glow. The honed travertine floors feel cool and grounding underfoot while dried pampas grass sways ever so slightly. Every detail whispers calm luxury, inviting you deeper into the home with quiet confidence and effortless grace. The living room wraps around you like a soft cloud, bathed in golden spring light that dances across ivory plaster walls. You sink into the boucle sofa and immediately feel the tension melt away. Sculptural ceramics and woven textures add warmth without clutter, while the coffered ceiling draws your eye upward, creating a sense of spaciousness that feels both grand and intimately cozy all at once. Walking into the family room, you're hit with this incredible feeling of relaxed elegance. Afternoon sun streams through oversized windows, casting long, soft shadows across the travertine floors. The curved sectional begs you to curl up with a book, and those sculptural shelves hold treasures that tell stories. It's the kind of space where time slows down, where every texture invites touch, and every corner feels like a quiet sanctuary. The dining room takes your breath away immediately. Golden spring light filters through sheer curtains, creating this magical, dreamy atmosphere that makes every meal feel special. The sculptural oak table pulls you in, surrounded by chairs that feel as comfortable as they look. That dried botanical installation above steals the show, swaying gently and adding movement without ever feeling loud or overwhelming in this perfectly balanced space. Tucked into that bay window nook, the breakfast area feels like your own private morning sanctuary. Sunlight floods in, warming the cream upholstery and making the pale blush ceramics glow. You can almost smell fresh coffee and feel the quiet promise of a slow morning ahead. The round table invites closeness, and every detail whispers comfort, making even the simplest meal feel like a cherished ritual worth savoring completely. The kitchen strikes this perfect balance between visionary design and everyday livability that you rarely find. Warm ivory cabinetry and honed marble counters feel luxurious, yet totally inviting. Sunlight catches the unlacquered brass hardware, creating tiny sparkles across the room. You can imagine cooking here on a spring morning, surrounded by sculptural ceramics and the scent of fresh herbs, feeling both inspired and completely at home in this beautiful space. Slipping into the pantry feels like discovering a secret, peaceful corner of the home. Soft light streams through the single window, illuminating woven baskets and ceramic canisters arranged with such care. The warm honey oak counter invites you to pause, to prep, to simply breathe. It's quiet here, almost meditative, and every texture from rattan to travertine adds layers of warmth that make this functional space feel surprisingly luxurious and deeply calming. The master bedroom is pure serenity wrapped in warm ivory and soft spring light. You walk in and immediately feel your shoulders drop. The sculptural plaster headboard wall anchors the space without feeling heavy, while layered linen bedding begs you to sink in. Kongchi jong mi manja calm, and the dried florals add a whisper of spring. It's the kind of room that wraps around you like a hug, inviting rest and recharge. This guest bedroom feels like a warm hug from the moment you step inside. Soft morning light filters through sheer curtains, casting gentle shadows across the ivory walls and travertine floors. The sand velvet bed looks incredibly inviting, dressed in crisp linens that whisper comfort. That rattan armchair by the window practically calls your name, promising quiet mornings with coffee and the sweet feeling of being exactly where you belong. The home office feels like a creative sanctuary where inspiration flows as freely as the spring light pouring through those tall windows. Calm ivory walls and sculptural built-ins create focus without feeling sterile. You can imagine sitting at that curved oak desk, surrounded by ceramic treasures and trailing greenery, losing track of time as ideas flow. The woven rug adds warmth underfoot, making this space feel both productive and deeply peaceful. Stepping onto the terrace feels like extending the home's warmth into the outdoors. Travertine pavers continues seamlessly, blurring the line between inside and out. The cream sectional invites you to sink in and breathe deeply, surrounded by olive trees and spring blooms in ceramic planters. Sunlight bathes everything in gold, and for a moment, you forget time exists. It's pure peace, pure comfort, pure home. True luxury isn't about price tags. It's about how a space makes you feel when you walk through the door. Let this sculptural warmth remind you that your home should be your sanctuary, your art, your quiet place to simply exist beautifully.